welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by and checking out what I'm doing here. Today we are in my daily job shop. Finally got to kick something off my bucket list. I want to say too that I am off the clock here. I'm not filming while I'm at work, but yeah, got to kick something off my bucket list. I got to do a LS swap here at work. Pretty damn cool. Let me show you what we're working on here. Right there's the LS. Some people may say, well, it's not an LS swap. Technically it is an LS swap. It started out, it's a 2006 Chevy Silverado 2500. It's got the 6-liter in it, and it is an LS motor. I wish I could have videoed it. It was pretty good time swapping these motors out. This one here, the one that was in it, had almost 200,000 miles on it. It burned a lot of oil. The truck sits and idles a whole lot. It's just one of our maintenance trucks, but it does, like I said, sit and idle a lot, so it was burning a lot of oil. We got a junkyard motor and transmission back there. Let me walk over here and I'll show you the motor that come out of it. There's the motor that come out of it. It was, like I said, this thing had close to 200,000 miles on it, and it was getting in bad shape. So we bought a used engine, had just a little, right around 100,000, and we had to do a lot of swapping on it. The intake on this was a cable drive. That's drive-by-wire. The valve covers, we put new valve covers on the truck a little over a year ago, and so we swapped the valve covers out, and a couple other things we switched around on it, just that we'd like the alternator, the power steering pump, AC pump. All that stuff was just a couple years old on the other engine, so we swapped them over, and we did get it to fire yesterday, but we were having just an issue with the transmission. One of the lines going on the side of the transmission, I think, was leaking a little bit or something. We're going to get back into it today. Well, of course, we changed the coils and stuff, because these are the ones that come on this motor were the round coils. The ones on the original truck were the square coils, so we swapped them all over. This should be plug and play. I mean, well, I know it's plug and play because it started up and we didn't have any check engine lights. So, but you know, like I said, you know, got to do an LS swap. It's like one of the things that was on my bucket list. So, you know, finally got to do it, and yeah, it's a cool deal. Really like doing it. So, appreciate you all watching. Just kind of a little funny video here. Like I said, I wish I could have videoed it, but you know, for reasons I don't want to get into, while I'm on the clock, I am not allowed to video for my channel. So, you know, sorry guys. It would have been, like I said, really a good video to post, and probably could have helped a lot of people out, but it is what it is, you know. I love my job. I'm not gonna jeopardize it by trying to do something that I'm not supposed to be doing. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button and hit all for the notifications. And as always, you know, if you guys weren't watching them, I wouldn't be making them. Catch you all in the next one. Bye.